Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to barbecue baby back ribs like an Armenian. Get yourself some baby back ribs or spare ribs, whichever you prefer. Now I like to cut them in between every two bones to make about a 4-inch square. That just when you put it on the skewers, the weight is even that way. Have your butcher cut the ribs down the middle and remove the silver skin from the back. I forgot, and now you can watch me struggle how to take it out. Using a paper towel does make it easier, but still, it's a nightmare. Grab yourself one whole onion. I use white onion. You can use yellow, red, whichever you prefer. That's just to add some flavor. We're not going to be cooking it. We're going to get a whole onion, slice it in half, and then just slice it up. And set it aside. And now we are going to do the spice mixture. So, in the spice mixture goes a large amount of salt, some sumac, some cumin, some garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, some smoked paprika, so some Aleppo pepper, mild, and then I'm gonna grate some fresh pepper in there, a little coarser than usual. And then we're gonna mix. I went ahead and added some more paprika towards the end. So in the large bowl goes the meat, and we're gonna grab your spices, grab your onions, grab some olive oil or avocado oil in my case, oil it up, and mix it up just to get a nice even coating. And then once that is nicely coated, we're going to slowly add some of the spice mixture in there. So I like to, mix, add some more, mix, add some more, so on and so on until it's done. Once all the spice mixture is done, we can add our onions. And once the onions are in there and nicely incorporated into the bowl, I'm just gonna cover it up and put it in the refrigerator to sit for at least 2 hours, up to 24. Now we do the fire. Now to get the fire started, I use a chimney and some lump charcoal to get it started. Just put some charcoal in your chimney, a little fire starter in the bottom, light it up, grab yourself a drink, and watch it burn. And so once the fire's ready to go, dump out the coals, set your rack on, and we're gonna grill some tomatoes here. We're gonna take the stems out to make sure they don't burn, because nobody likes burnt stems. We're also going to grill some eggplants and some Fresno peppers. These are sometimes spicy, sometimes sweet, so crapshoot. And we're just going to turn them occasionally, make sure they get a nice char built up. The eggplants are nice and soft. The tomatoes got a nice good coating on it. Same with the peppers. Now we're gonna put the meat on the skewers. So grab your skewers and grab your meat. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get in between the bones and just rack them up to whatever length your grill can handle. And we're gonna check it on our vegetables, looking good. Almost time to take it off the grill. I also got a side of pork belly that's already pre-made and pre-seasoned. But so once the vegetables come off the grill, we take it inside to peel. So just grab something. These come off very easily. Just take them off, take the skin off, and what you have left is beautiful grilled vegetables. Take the tomato stems out. Those are no fun to eat. Grill these to however much you want them cooked. There's no burning these. You want more texture or you want it softer, just leave it on longer. If you want more texture, take it off sooner. We traditionally like to, get them all nicely cooked. Here's your eggplant, comes off very easy. Pepper, just hold it by the stem and just take the skin off. Should come off very easily. That's it. Servings to take the stems off. So there's, you want your guests to eat as quickly as possible, not have any work to do. You do the work so they can enjoy the food. And we got some vegetables and got some parsley, some Armenian cheese, tomatoes and stuff, raw tomatoes. Now we're gonna put the meat on the grill, and here's where you need to pay close attention to it. This is very hands-on, and you always got to pay attention to the meat. Turn it ever so often. Make sure you're not burning it, because you're literally cooking this stuff right above the charcoal. Fattier meats like the pork belly, you'll see you will start a fire. All you need to do is just agitate the coals a little and the fire will go out, and then you can put your meat back on. If your meat is not as fatty, you're not gonna have to worry about that stuff. So just keep occasionally turning, making sure you're getting nice color all around. Once it's nice, you get a nice crust on it, it's ready to take off. This is not like smoking or anything like that where you want to wait slow and think. This is high heat, very quickly cooked. And once the meat is done, you take it off the skewers and put it into a plate. We have it lined with some lavash, and we got some onions with sumac and parsley, and we're gonna sprinkle all that on top right there, and that is just gorgeous. Cover it up, keep the meat warm, and then place it on your table, and you're good to go. All right, table's set. So we got our baby back ribs nicely cooked through with some onions and parsley and sumac on top. We got our grilled veggies. There's the pork belly. Good times. Enjoy, guys. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below on what you would like me to cook next. Next time I am going to work on some compound butter and grilling some good old-fashioned New York strips. All right, see you on the next one.